Come on, guys. As you see in the background, the train is coming. These people are waiting to go on the train for public transportation. Here it comes! Wait, don't stop yet. Now these people are exiting the train to go onto their current destination. No, not yet. We have to explain stuff. What? Really?
Is that behind us? No, other way.
Security guy is analyzing us and why we are taking a video. I am very scared he's gonna come up and tell us to stop recording, so we have to hurry this up. What? Okay, wait, hold this. In my part of the book, it's really loud. Talk. In my part of the book, there's a train station because, oh, look at this guy running to catch the train. He's not gonna make it. He's not gonna make it. Oh, he missed the train.
Crop. He missed the train, boy, that much. Let's look at the guy who did it. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, what a lovely mate.
Oh, they stopped for him.
What a lovely mate.
They stopped for him. How sweet.
You better leave a good tip, I say.
As you can tell, the people who use the train are, most of them are business people, right?
Yes.
Get the video.
How business people? They have cars.
Okay. Look at the graffiti. You see the beautiful graffiti over there? Very nice. Okay, let me explain why we're at a train station right now. Sorry, I can talk now because the train was really loud. But we're at a train station because my part in the book, V for Vendetta, V kills Prothero's men on the train station and he sneaks onto the train and shoots them. And that was a really big part of my book, my section of the book, was when V kills Prothero's men on the train. And then in Giuseppe's part...
In my part, V was dead, so they put him in a train full of explosives. This was his will. Then he went and the train exploded. And then... Thank you.
Okay, what about you, Preston? Does the train have anything in your part of the book? You can talk.
No, it really didn't, though.
There's a security. No train in your part of the book? Really? Oh, well.
There wasn't your part because they almost ran the train on that one girl until V stopped him.
Wait, what? Say that again?
I said there was there's almost a train in your first part of the book because they almost ran a train.
They almost what? They almost ran into a train?
Nothing.
No, explain it.
I can't say it.
Why?
Because it'd be funny.
Say it. Say it. Okay. I don't think you guys are supposed to hear that part. But anyways, nobody. Okay, one of the questions.
They almost ran a train on that one girl until V stopped them.
Really? No, you're lying. Okay, so
I'm sorry.
one of the questions is anyone excluded from the setting? Nobody's excluded. Anybody uses the train, even like hobos. I don't see any. but usually sometimes hobos use the train. But there's a majority of middle class people and a lot of business people.
It's a lot longer than walking, or it's a lot longer than.
Shorter.
It's a lot shorter than walking. It's a lot longer than a plane ride, but for the price, it's a lot cheaper for the younger
price
class.
is good for all the classes because they don't want to walk and hobos and stuff. You can save up their money for this because it takes them places.
The richer usually don't mind paying for a ticket to get on a plane and go there faster, or they have their own cars or stuff. So, yeah.
It's easier to go on a train because there is no traffic.
No traffic,
Yeah.
good one. The train goes really fast, so you'll get there faster. Explore the space. Okay, so we have to explore it. There's a train track, graffiti. There's where people stay.
There's a viewing spot.
What was that?
A viewing spot.
That is a waiting spot. It's okay. People wait there. Oh, what's that over there? As you can tell, the train station is not very beautiful. It's very crappy, I guess. Oh, look, there's Tucson students.
Good transportation for college students trying to get around.
And the setup, you buy your tickets. Where do you buy your tickets?
Yes, I don't know. Here, maybe.
You buy your tickets right there, over there. And then you walk up here, wait for the train. Yeah, as you can see, sometimes people vandalize this poor place by graffitiing, even though it does look cool, but that's so bad. Anything else?
I think we're done here, boys.
And what?
Thank you. See you again.
Is that it?